Here it is. There's the NVIDIA R400. So I got the titanium tips, and I think once they get cleaned up, they're gonna look really nice, especially on the World Rally Blue. And then here is the non-resonated portion. And the only issue with this exhaust is that it needed new hardware, but we got that from Home Depot. And I think at some point I might go get a new flex pipe welded on just because this part is damaged. But overall, pretty good exhaust for 300 bucks. Not bad. Now, as far as cleaning goes, I'm going to be using this to polish the tips. This ends up looking really nice when it's all clean. I've used it before, has given me really good results. And then as far as wiping the actual exhaust down from all the gunk, I'm going to spray it down with this and just water it down with the garden hose, wipe it down. Then we picked up some new hardware from Home Depot. This is just an example of it. I'm using M10 by 125. Hopefully this will be long enough for all the flanges. These are some 3-inch gaskets I already have laying around from my old system that I kept because they're pretty good, they're pretty thick. And then the other ones I have are the 2.5 that are already on the exhaust over there. I have some other miscellaneous tasks I need to do on the STI. The STI also needs a new wheel stud and lug nut. I need to tap it out, put the new one back in. So I'm hopefully gonna have enough time for that today. We'll see, but let's go get this done and hopefully get you guys some sound clips. I am really impressed with how this looks. All it took was some of this and a hose, and it looks really good. Now, of course, we'll see once it actually starts drying up. We'll see how it looks because, of course, things probably look a lot better right now since it's wet. But even then, I think it removed quite a bit of the gunk. Funny enough, they did not have tap to pay. So I had to walk in and actually tell them I wanted a guesstimate amount on the amount I needed. I was gonna keep filming at the gas station until this lady came and asked for help. She asked me for $100. I said, you know what, I don't have it. And I was gonna show you guys the exhaust there, but I figured I was gonna go to this parking garage over here where my old college was and get you guys those sound clips I promised. I just said, you know what, it's 11 p.m. I'm not gonna take my chance with anybody at a gas station in the middle of the night, regardless of where I'm at. So we're here at the parking garage and we got the exhaust right here. I'm hoping there's enough light with my camera and everything that you guys can see it. It needs to get cleaned a little bit more. There is some residue from the polish I was using earlier that's still on the exhaust, but the other tips are pretty clean and I'm hoping that you guys like how it sounds, and I really like how it sounds. So let's go check it out. I think the titanium tips look really nice with the World Rally Blue. There are still some marks where I still need to wipe it off with the towel, as you guys can see right there from the polish that I used, but honestly, not bad. Over here on the left side, these tips got the worst of it, but like I said, it just comes off. I just need to finish cleaning it, wiping it down with my microfiber towel, and I think overall, I'm really pleased for the amount of money I paid for this exhaust from Facebook Marketplace, and it's just the right sound that I wanted. Not too loud and not too quiet as well. Unfortunately, I forgot my tripod at home. I thought I packed it with me before I left for work, but you guys are gonna get the next best thing, which is gonna be my water bottle holding my phone and my microphone. So, hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I think we finally settled on an exhaust for the STI. I think this exhaust is gonna stay on the car for a long time, and I think once we get the catless headers for the STI, it's gonna sound even better. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you again for checking out another video, and I'm gonna get out of here before the cops show up. So take care, guys.